The government has admitted laxity in dealing with the spread of desert locusts in the country. Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Peter Munya says the government delayed in taking immediate actions in the early stages, but defended efforts put in place to contain the locusts so far. But as Denis Otieno now reports, new invasions have been cited in various parts of the country.
It is slightly over a month now since the desert locusts invaded the northeastern part of the country. The government has put on a brave face, assuring citizens that all is well, despite tales of horror and destruction from affected families. But the government finally admits it may have dropped the ball in addressing the situation.
There was a delay in terms of, given the time the warning was given, planning and taking care of the situation in good time didn't happen. There was a lapse in terms of taking action to contain the situation.
So dire is the situation that the government remains mum about the extent of destruction caused by the locusts so far. But according to Munya, other factors are also to blame for the spread.
We are not in control of what our neighbors, some of them are in war situation. So even to get the information to help you plan, you can't get it.
As the blame game continues, the swarms continue to spread. Fresh attacks have been reported in the coastal county of Tana River.
Locusts are eventually in Tana North. They have first been spotted in the Bo area of Madogo ward. We want to make an appeal to the national government, the minister, and to other partners involved in the exercise of fumigation, that now they put us in the list.
More fresh attacks have also been reported in Wajir, Mandera and Marsabit. The CS is, however, adamant that the government is in control.
The teams that have been working on it have done a very good job in terms of managing the situation and containing the situation.
His sentiments, however, contradicts those of Food and Agriculture Organization FAO, who expressed fears on the country's food security.
We are dealing with partners where we are employing what we call the L3. The L3 within the UN is the highest level of emergency.
If this is not dealt quickly and timely, this will have an effect, a really serious effect on the food security of the region.